What's going on, y'all? Getting ready to head out to the honey hole, leaving the campground. The last few days I haven't been able to hit nothing. I've been fishing for those catfish, but I ain't never been hitting. So looks like we got some rain in the forecast. So I got my rain suit, just in case. Oh yeah, I wanted to make sure I had my my little casing for my camera just in case it do rain. It's got a waterproofing case that it goes in. Actually, you can go underwater with this camera. Haven't tried that yet. But anyway, we heading to the honey hole and see what we can do. So once we get there, I'll see you. Well, y'all, I'm suited up and ready for whatever. Hey, in the last video I was talking about that fishing fever, but it's a part of it, baby. Rain, sleet, shine, or snow. When you got that fever, ain't no stopping you. But let's go ahead, get out here and see what I can do. Until the next time, peace. All right, y'all, we're gonna start off in this little pocket right here. And starting to see a little light sprinkle. So we're gonna see if we can catch 3 or 4, enough for dinner before it start pouring down out here. Let's see what we can do. I forgot to bring some extra batteries. I forgot if I put my waterproof casing on there. I don't have a place where I can plug my oh, look, we got a hit. He let go. He let go. Must have been one on the small one. He couldn't handle it. So that's a good sign. A little hit on the first cast. Let's see if I can get close to that bank side right there. Bring it back this way. Yeah, but like I was saying about my batteries, don't have a where the waterproof case don't have where you can plug in your USB thing, and them batteries run down pretty quick. And I didn't bring no extra batteries, nothing. So I don't know. We're gonna see how it's gonna work out. Alright, I was hoping to get one on the first cast. It don't always happen like that, y'all. Let's see. Missed that one. Missed that one. Let's see if one of his buddies following behind it. Let's get back out there and see if we can get them. Yeah, we got a nice little drizzle. It ain't pouring down yet, so I think we're gonna be good. All I need is a good 4 or 5, at least 4 good size when I can get back to the camp and fry them up, y'all. searching for dinner. I'm out here grocery shopping. Ooh, right on the bank side. Let's see if I can come out of there with one. If I don't hit one in this cast, I'm gonna move on down the bank side a little bit. Ooh, I hear that thunder. Now, if it get the lightning out here, I'm out this piece. We'll try again another day. Let me ease on down this bankside, man, and see what I can do. All right, y'all, let's see what we can do. I'm gonna throw down this side of the bank and see if I can get a couple real quick. We got a nice little sprinkle going on. I hear some thunder in the background too. But all I need is a good 4. And that'll fill me up. I want to fry a little bass tonight, y'all. I think that might have been some weeds there. Anxious. Anxious, y'all. Trying to beat this rain too at the same time. Before the bottom fall out. I think I might be fishing too fast. Rushing it. Oh, man. Let's see if we can get one out of here real quick, y'all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get some little taps. Must be these small ones, man. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. There you go. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. There you go, y'all. There you go. There you go. There you go, y'all. That's a nice one. Now, if I can get about, hold on, hold, be still. I'm trying to hurry up and get back out in this water. Yeah, and if I can get about 3 more like that, I'll be good. We're gonna throw him right there. I don't feel like walking right now to go get this string out of my truck. And I ain't trying to waste no time in getting back out there in that water because it looks like it's about to get nasty out here. All right, I'm back. Locked and loaded. Let's see if we can get another one like the other one. Out here in the rain, y'all, I don't care nothing about it. Grocery shopping. All I need is 3 more. It's thundering, raining. I ain't seen no striking lightning yet, but as soon as I see that, then y'all know I gotta get up out of this water. I done seen too many videos online. Folks getting hit by that lightning. And it didn't look pretty. come down a little harder, y'all. But I'm suited up. I had to go get this case for my camera. I know I'm not going to be able to do too much recording time because those batteries run down quick, and I left the rest of my batteries thinking that the waterproof case had an opening for the USB thing, but I guess it wouldn't be waterproof if it had an opening in the right. But let me go in and put this camera in this case, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I got my camera protected. Let's see if we can catch a few before this battery run down. Oh, that's a little lightning there. That might be a sign. Boy, you got that fever. You got that fever. I got one fish, but that ain't gonna be enough for dinner. Uh-oh, just got a little hit at the edge of the bank, y'all. Let me get back in this little pocket, man, and see what's gonna happen. I'm fishing fast now. Fishing fast. That's how I be walking through the grocery store, in the store, fast. I'm at the grocery store right now, y'all. Oh, that rain's starting to come down. Got one. Fish on. Come on, out of there. Fish on. Ooh, that rain coming on down, y'all. That rain coming on down. Ooh, that was some lightning. He a small fry, but we gonna have to take him today. My uncle said it's good to take the smaller ones out. That way the bigger ones will get big. When it's too many in one spot, then they're not gonna grow to their potential. And we're out here in the rain trying to catch some fish. Doing a little grocery shopping. The lightning ran me in earlier, but I believe it's safe now. The lightning done died down, but it's still raining. Look like the bite done slowed down too. Right before the rain, I was getting some hits. I was thinking it was them, well, assuming. Uh-oh, that was small. Got one, y'all. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Come on up here. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get that hook on about you, baby, so I can get back off of this water. There we go, baby. Yes, sir. Looks like I'm gonna eat today after all. All right, y'all. Back out here. I got 3 so far. I'm shooting for 4. That'll be enough for dinner tonight.
Got a nice little rain going. But that ain't gonna stop no real fisherman. Little rain ain't never hurt nobody. Oh, right at the bank, y'all. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. I changed the color of that worm, too. Got that little green and some kind of brownish yellow going on. I'm gonna drop him right there. So I don't know if that made a difference. But we gonna get on back out there and see. All right, I'm gonna throw crossway. It's real shallow in here, so I'm gonna throw that way. Try to come across. Bring one out of there. One day I wore them out in this little corner, even though it's shallow. And caught some pretty good size. Let's see if we can make it happen today. Got a bit ways to walk back to this truck too. I hope it just don't start. I hope the bottom. Oh, goddamn. There you go. There you go. There you go, y'all. I told you. He hit right at the bank. Oh, yes, sir. He hit right at the bank, y'all. Oh, well, hey. I think I got my 4. I think that's 4. This might be 5, but I know I got 4. Well, I'm way down here. I might as well kill another catfish. You know you can't stop when they hit, which they ain't hitting fast. But yeah, I guess I'm being greedy now. Let's see if we can get nothing out of there, y'all. Oh me. He hit right at the bank. When I'm talking about this shallow, man, I can see the bottom. From about at least 5 yards out. If not more, I can see the bottom. Well, y'all, that rain then passed on. I done caught it, my quota that I said I was looking for today, but it's too beautiful to leave now. So I do have enough for dinner. Let's see if I can get a few more. I know the audio, when it was raining, I know it's not gonna be as good because the camera was enclosed in that case. So, you know, the microphone is built into the camera, so I know the quality ain't gonna be, the audio quality ain't gonna be as good. I know y'all can hear me better now because the rain is gone and I done took that case off. Man, that was a bad cast. Sometimes them be the best ones. I don't know what that was. Oh, look at that bass came right to the top, man. I saw him when he hit it. I hope I got that on camera. I could see my worm in the water. I'm about to raise it out of there, bro. And the bass came right up and hit that scam. Boy, I hope y'all saw that. And guess what? He done shook my worm off. So I got to walk around here. I'm glad I ain't too far from the truck and grab another worm. And I can go ahead and put this fish on the stringer. Man, I know the camera probably didn't get that because it's probably shooting up a little high. But I'm about to take my worm out the water, and I actually saw the bass come and hit the worm. Man, oh man, look at that. That's a nice one there, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm back in the water. Yeah, but that last one, man, he came right to the top of the water. I'm about to take the worm, or getting ready to recast, and that son gone. I'm talking about he hit. I got to re-oil this reel here. So I'm tagging it. Y'all. Is he on there? This one here got a long tail. Oh, he on there. Y'all. I got him. I gave him a little longer to hit it, cause sometimes I notice when I'm fishing with these worms with that long tail, they just be hitting that tail. He ain't a big one, y'all. I'm gonna let him make it. But yeah, with that long tail on there, man, sometimes they just be hitting that tail. So I wanted to make sure he had it. See, that's a long tail on that thing there. Let's get back out there and see what we can do. I got to oil this reel too, boy. Yeah, gears getting stuck or something in there. And this one but a little $5 reel that I got at Walmart. It was on clearance. I bought a couple of them, but hey, these little jokers done did they job. I just walked past a few bass I saw on the edge of the bank, so I'm gonna come this way. This grass kind of tall in here too, and cast back this way and see if I can make them come out of there. I walked past 2 bass, so let's see if I can make something shake. See if they gonna see it and come out and get it. Either they didn't see it or they didn't want it. They probably knew it was a trap. I see another little small one. There go another little small one. The other one I saw was a pretty good size one. Oh, got it hit in. Got him. Got it. Yes, sir. He ain't no slab, but I'm gonna get a couple of fillets out of him. All right, let's throw down side this bank line and see what we can get. Oh, as soon as it hit the water, y'all. Then set that hook in him. Y'all heard that drag? I need to tighten that drag up. It's too loose. I think if that drag was tight enough, or tighter than what it was, I'd have hooked him. He hit as soon as it hit the water. Let me tighten. Let me tighten it up a little bit. All right, let's try it again, y'all. I'm talking about as soon as it hit the water, he tagged. must have a little bumped in. I think that's them small ones moving. He just tapped it, so he probably still in the area. I'm gonna go ahead and cast down that bank side again. See what I come up with. Yeah, he hit it because he got that thing twisted. Alright, here we go. Here we go. There you go, he's tagging it. Got him that time. Got him that time, y'all. Oh, he a nice one too. He's a nice one. He a nice one. Oh yeah. Oh yes sir. Come on out of there, big boy. Come on out of there, big boy. Oh, he pretty. He got a little yellow in him. Yes, sir. Now, that's what we come out here for. That's what we come out here for right there, guys. Let's see if we can get him out of there, y'all. Looks like a little rain about to come back in. I see some little drops hitting the water. Just a light little old sprinkle. Oh, got a hit, got a hit, got a hit. He on there. Fish on, y'all. There you go. Come on out of there. Yes, sir. Come on out of there. Yes, sir. That's what we come out here for. Yes, sir. Look at that, y'all. Pretty. Yes, sir. Ease my way back down to the pocket, y'all. Just gonna work my way on down there and see if I can hang a couple more before I leave. Getting a light little sprinkle, nothing heavy. Oh, hit. Got him, y'all. Got him. There you go. Come on out of there. He trying to shake that thing loose too. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Yes, sir. I got him good in that corner. That corner of that hard part. He wasn't shaking off that. Yeah, hooked him good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I had to walk down a little further. Coming down this bank side, see if I can pick up another. Oh, just got a hit. Missed him. I think I got a little anxious. A little anxious on that one. I'm talking about as soon as it hit the water, it hit. I love it when they do that. I love it when they hit like that, y'all. Oh, got another hit. He on there. Fish on. Come on out of there, big boy. Fish on. There we go. There we go. Come on out of there. It could have been the same one, or it could have been one of this pocket. It don't matter. Ah, I love it, y'all. Ooh, I hooked them good, boy. I'm talking about. Ooh, look where the hook came out of. See if y'all can see that. Look where the hook came out of, y'all. I hooked him good. He wasn't coming off there. Let me see if I can get this hook out of him. I ain't got my pliers. Yeah, it didn't take much to get it out of there. Look at that, y'all. Yes, sir.
Well, y'all, I had a pretty good day out here, even though, you know, we had a little rain that was popping off, but I caught a decent amount. I got enough for dinner, and I got to make sure that I take care of the lady that still allow me to come out here and fish. So these fish, I'm gonna fillet up, fry me enough for dinner, and I got to get some to the people who take care of me. Because if it weren't for her, I wouldn't be out here fishing. So anyways, I'm finna get ready to go to Sports Academy. I got to buy some more worms, some more bullet weights, some more hooks, some more line, because I've been using this spider wire line, man, and this braided line, and it's not all they say it is. I've been getting my line snapped just for even just, you know, yanking back, setting the hook in them, you know. So I'm finna get ready to go back with my line that I know, you know. So forget all that other stuff, that braided line, man. It ain't what it's cracked up to be. And then it costs so much, it's not even worth it. Yeah, but anyways, man, hey, until the next time, peace.